this video I'm going to show you how to install WordPress. Okay, so guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of WordPress tutorial, plugin reviews, and also how to create an online brand, so please consider subscribing. So guys, let's begin. So first things first, we are going to go on Bluehost. So currently I'm using Bluehost as my hosting to launch my WordPress website, and if you click the link in the description, I have 70% discount. So all you have to do is just go on Bluehost, okay, and I would take your hosting. So hosting, I would always take shared hosting, and then once you buy your hosting, all you have to do is click on login to your account. So I've already purchased my hosting and domain from this account, and then I'm just gonna put my domain name and password. Once you are in your dashboard, all you have to do is click on my sites, create site, put your site name, your tagline, click next, select your domain from here. So for me it's yavarkhan.com. I already have a website, so but you have to click over here and just don't write this, it's optional, but for me I already have a website, so I'm just going to write 1 2 3 and leave this as it is. Click next, and within 3 seconds you're going to install WordPress. 1 2 and 3. So as you could see right now, I've installed WordPress. Now all you have to do is click on login to WordPress. So guys, this is your WordPress, and that's it guys. This is how you install your WordPress. Guys, I've created a free course on how to create a WordPress website from scratch, step-by-step instructions. I tell you how you could create an amazing, beautiful website, and also I would tell you how you could make passive money with that. So the link is in the description. It's a free course. Thank you so much for watching, and please consider subscribing. See you in the next video.